back, and I'm Kurt Staunton. I'm going to do a magic trick to you today, to Monty. And I'm just going to put this down to you, and just show you I haven't changed it. So it's going to stay there. I'm going to turn it over, and then I'm just going to put it in. Oh no, I'm going to turn that, and then put it under. Put it under, 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 put it under. I'll take the card, I'm going to get it, I'm going to put it on, I'm going to turn it over. I'll put it under, and I'll keep switching them just to confuse you. Now you've got a 50-50 chance of guessing what's on top. What do you think's on top? A heart of diamonds? What do you think, probably? Let's go. Hearts? Well, it's definitely not the hearts. If you like my video, please like and keep on viewing my tricks. Thank you.